Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate your Chime account easy tutorial step by step clearly. To activate your Chime account, start by downloading the Chime app from the App Store or Google Play Store. Once the app is installed, open it on your device. Next, tap on Get Started to begin the account activation process. You will be prompted to enter your email address. After entering your email, tap Continue. Now, check your email for a verification message from Chime. Click the verification link in the email to confirm your address. Return to the Chime app and enter your mobile phone number. Tap Continue after you've input your phone number. You will receive a verification code via text message. Enter the code in the app to proceed. Next, create a secure password for your account. Make sure your password meets the security criteria provided. Once your password is set, tap Continue to move forward. You will be asked to provide some personal information. This includes your full name, date of birth, and address. Ensure all information is accurate and up to date. After entering your details, tap Continue. Now, you may need to provide your social security number for verification purposes. Input your SSN carefully, then tap Continue. The app will take a moment to verify your information. Once verified, you will be prompted to fund your account. Choose your preferred method for funding your Chime account. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the funding process. Now, review and agree to Chime's terms and conditions. Finally, tap Activate Account to complete the process. Your Chime account is now activated and ready for use. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.